I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the essentials: the exact Sony TV model, current firmware, and the installed YouTube app version so you know which fixes apply. Once done, power cycle the TV, unplug for 60 seconds and plug back in to clear transient errors. Next, verify your network. Use a wired Ethernet connection or ensure Wi-Fi signal is strong and test throughput. YouTube needs around 5 Mbps for HD. These steps remove common causes and prepare you for deeper fixes. Now focus on software. Install any available Sony firmware updates from settings to fix OS-level bugs that break apps. After updating, go to Apps, select YouTube, then clear cache and app data. If that fails, uninstall and reinstall the official YouTube app. Make sure you sign back into Google if required. Then reset network settings and reconnect, entering Wi-Fi password manually to avoid captive portal issues. These steps address corrupted app data and mismatched system components that prevent playback. For stubborn problems, perform a factory reset as a final measure. Back up any custom settings first, because this restores the TV to startup state and removes app-level corruption. Also check account restrictions. Ensure the Google account isn't blocked and verify parental controls or network firewall aren't restricting YouTube. Once reset, reinstall apps and retest. If issues persist, try YouTube on another device using the same network to confirm whether the problem is the TV or your connection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.